Welcome to SK Trading Live. The stream will be starting shortly.
I can't hear. What? Aaron is here. No, he's in Hawaii. He's 6 hours behind. Perfect. No, Michael's not here no more. Oh, last week.
Sergeant Wobbly, right? That's his name?
Yep, Sergeant Wobbly. We got to really start getting 1,000 to 2,000 people on. You see what I sent you?
Yeah.
What?
Look at the gold.
Nasdaq's short on the highs up there. It just dropped 25.
Look on the 10-minute.
I don't know what a W pattern is.
Yeah, I don't. It just means that it looks like it's forming a W.
Take a double bottom and a triple top.
Top, but I don't see a W.
Look
It
at
come
it.
all the way back down.
I never even heard of these terms.
It's just a pattern that means that it could continue going up. A
Mm.
W means it could continue going up.
You got a negative trend here on this. The 60 just reversed to sell. No fuck, I'm shorting this thing. No way.
I don't trade on anything but a 5-minute.
And if you gotta look at the other, you gotta look at the other time frames.
Yeah.
All right, let's play the music. Let's go. You gotta be very careful. Listen to me carefully. The 60 just reversed to sell with a negative MACD. Any overbought conditions. That's why the 15, this was a short just now, 02 on the 15. Hello?
Yeah, I'm watching it. I'm looking at
Look, hurry up because I only got 10 seconds. Look, negative, okay? And then the 15 got overbought. You short that.
it. Okay.
I mean, I don't know what you're talking about. I would have been short on that pattern. If I see the 60 reverse like that, perfect pattern. What's up, everybody? What's up, Denny? What's up, Denny? Welcome, everybody. Denny's got some news to share.
Oh no, we can't talk about that.
Oh, okay. Arton left.
I'm getting a payout, guys. I'm getting a payout.
There you go. There you go. Let's see here.
$1,200 payout.
Hey, Julian. Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. Hello. Edwin, how are you? How is everybody here? Gotta fix these screens here. Lord Giorgio Capital cabooshed. Yes, sir. Short the world.
Got this, Susie Bear.
What happened to Susie Bear? Well, she's got to come to SK Trading, and she's got to learn. If she wants to get a free trial, just text me. I got to tell you, I had so many great people with the 7-day free trial, just killing it. I love it. It just brings unbelievable joy to me. Unbelievable. Well, actually, Aaron's got to post something in here about 10 times for the night. So I'll show you a great pattern, Denny. Look at this pattern today on the 30-minute time frame. This is a absolute Picasso. The 60s are in sell mode. The 30s reversed to sell right here. I'll show it to you right here. The 30s, the 60s are in sell mode. This was the big drop yesterday from the overbought into the non-confirmation on the 60s that dropped about 40 handles on the S&P. And then you got the 30-minute reversing to sell. We got the first push up on the 15 at 1 o'clock on the 15-minute. And then look at this pattern. I told everybody I short the world. Palantir down 3. Microsoft down almost 4. The Qs down 5. Look at this. 6, 1, 6, 13. And in an hour and a half, kabooshed. $4.50, $5. Beautiful pattern. First push up on the short after the 30s reverse to sell, correlating with the 60-minute time frame. Absolutely, 100% a Picasso. So, what's up, everybody? How's everybody? Hope everybody did well. So many people, some great patterns. And then I'll show you this really big buy divergence here when you made the new lows right here around 12:30. Once these MACDs went positive, you got an oversold condition. You made new lows. These MACDs cannot confirm. Now, we called longs on this. The S&Ps went from 33.5 all the way up to 86, 87. 50 handles up. Unbelievable. So, hope everybody had a great day trading. Okay. Yep. Aaron, can you give that to Denny so he could post it in My Fund of Futures YouTube, please? Aaron, thank you. All right. Tell us this. Denny's feeling better?
I'm feeling a lot better.
Damn. I called Denny last night around 10:45, and he sounded so much better. That gold just went from 96 to 80, just ran 5. Okay. All right. Anybody new here tonight? You should see S&Ps just dropped, of course, dropped 9 just now. And then here, if you look here, you can see the S&P futures pushing up here on the 15 right here. And this is the first bounce on the 15 after the 60s. You can see the 15s reversing here. Right here, 60, 72. Oh my God. Gold just rallied 6. S&Ps just dropped 12. NASDAQ kabooshed. Just dropped about 40. A lot of big moves here today, Denny. At the off that 30-minute time frame, just on the NASDAQ, it dropped over 200. You know that?
You're right.
Dropped over 200. Just over 200. So there's my, Aaron was nice enough, so I don't have to give out my phone number 900 times.
It's always nice not having to do that 100 times.
I mean, really, people should be like, damn, look at these S&Ps get kabooshed. Oh my God. You know what I noticed, Denny? We should start this. I'm just joking around, but we should start the show at 7:45 because always like 5 to 8, the patterns are phenomenal. I noticed. You know that?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Like I came in here, I saw the S&Ps pushing up, 15's overbought, just drop. Oh my God, 15.
NASDAQ is tanking.
NASDAQ just got kabooshed, almost more than 50 points. 50 points. Hi, Nermeen. How are you? Nibble. Just Trade. How are you, Just Trade? I'm liking the longs. Where? At what price? I'm so bearish I can't even tell you. Let's see here. ICT, how are you? Loving this volatility. My analysis on gold, I think 38.50, 37.50. Chester Trades, Chicken Trader, how are you guys? How are you? We need to get the stream up to 1,000. You guys, if you can ask, oh my God, they just got kabooshed. Oh my God. Had a nice week here with Arton. Arton's on his way back to California. It was a great week here. He had a great week trading. Let's see here. Gold just rallied 6. S&Ps just rallied 3 here. If you want to short the S&Ps within this bar, you can look to short 60 up to 65.5. Only in this bar you can do it. Nice little buy divergences there, 55.5, but we'll see. Nibble, what's up, Nibble? Nibble. All right. All right, S&Ps, I would cancel that. Let's see what this gold's doing here. Gold can maybe get up to the 06, 07 level on the gold. All right, S&Ps just missed a short at 59, at 60. Damn it. Just dropped. Oh my God. Just dropped 4. So basically, when you get a pencil down like that, you want to try to short within the bar. You understand what I'm saying? View your trades. How are you? Wow, good job on that pattern. Good job. Nice little 5-minute little bull flag there. Good job. I'd probably look to exit some longs or raise your stops on the gold long. Oh yeah, S&Ps. If you want to take a scalp long only, I would probably go like 49.5, 50.5 range. Let me put some bids in here. Get down to 53.75. Is that right? Oh.
Yeah.
54.75.
No,
Yeah.
53 something.
I have 54.75. Put some gold up here. Oh wow, look at the S&Ps go. Boom. All right, I cancel that long. Gold shooting up here. Short the gold. Look to cover below 05.5 on the gold. Gold by 10 cents. That's a little long. The 15s are still turning down here. Anybody get that short on gold up there? You short?
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Good job, David. Good job. And shorts on the S&P. Want to short these S&Ps 61 up to 67 range. 61.5. 60. All right, nice little. Shorted the gold there just a little bit. JFB just covered, just scalped it, just scalped it. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Anybody new here? Put a 1. Anybody?
Anybody new? Anybody new?
Anybody out there? Anybody out there?
Come join with us. Order filled. Order filled.
How's everybody doing tonight? Beautiful dinner just now in sunny Florida. These pushed down to 54 3/4, just ran 6. Up in the gold short 61. I covered the gold below S&P's below 60.5. All right, gold pushing up here. Nasdaq just shot up. S&P's getting pushed up here. The 15s are rolling over and the push up here into the negative MACDs on the 5. Let's see what happens here. All right, I scalped the gold a couple of times. All right, whatever, no big deal. All right. Welcome, everybody. Welcome. And I want to say thank you to My Funded Futures for sponsoring tonight. They've given out close to 750K core accounts and 50K core accounts and also scale accounts. Okay? I want to say thank you very much. It means a lot. Also, I've given out, I think, close to 400 7-day free trials. 400 7-day free trials. That's right. 700. Oh, just boom, cover, boom. With these S&Ps are 62. You got this negative pattern here. Just trade it in and out. You know, 62 down to 61. Boom. Look to cover any shorts 60 3/4 or lower, 60.5 or lower. You know, beautiful. Just shorts sold 62s covered. They just dropped 2 on the Nasdaq, same thing. Really negative pattern here on that push up. Gold should drop here. Oh my God, S&P's down 3. Anybody short the S&Ps here? Okay, good job. Happy birthday, Stevie. It's not my birthday. My friend, 10-second trade rule. They said yesterday something finally clicked when you said it was. I don't know. S&P's dropping. Beautiful short. Nasdaq just got kabooshed. Nice little trade there. Joyce Fernandez, how are you? Aaron is going to post in the Discord. Okay. Aaron's going to post my a little block here with my number, a group text, full name and email, and you get a free 7-day free trial to my live stream. Okay, free 7-day. You caught the long on the gold. That's great. Good job, Devin. Great job. ACC gone.
Account gone. That's what that means.
Oh, account
he lost
gone.
his account.
What happened? He blew it up.
I think so. Gabriel, what happened?
Yeah, I'll trade a prop account. Yeah, absolutely. Why not? I mean, you know, all the rules and everything, I'm really kind of difficult for me, you know.
Well, it's a good thing that My Funded Futures has no rules then.
No rules.
Almost no rules. Let me rephrase that. Almost no rules. But there's no rule against micro scalping. The only thing that I think the only rule is that you can't make more than $1,500 in a day.
I thought it was 1,200. Is that 1,500
no,
now?
It's 1,500 now.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I got to tell you, you know, I really, one thing I love about My Funded Futures, you know, is they really care. I mean, they're doing this every single night with Denny and I, right? They've given out, they've given out probably, I don't know, like I said, close to 700, 600 prop accounts. I've given out over 400. And, you know, it really is a testament to them as a prop firm that wants to see all of you do well. And I think that's really super important, that you guys can really fully understand the importance of, you guys fully understand oh, damn, I missed the S&P short. That they really understand the importance of how it is to trade a prop firm of the magnitude of My Funded Futures. You know, to be able to trade in such a way that gives people the ability to trade the market in such a, oh my God, S&P's hit 62 again.
I closed it out.
Oh, I wanted to short it. I just put the offer in at 62. Oh man. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, it's slow, but be careful when it's slow like this. They can run them. You know, you just gotta really super be careful here. The 60-minute time with the key here is a 60-minute time frame. I would short this gold if it gets up to the 08.5 to the 14.5 range. The 60-minute, oh my God, S&P's just dropped 4. Anybody short the S&P's again at 62?
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Look at this. Oh my God, look at that. It touched my offer. May you rot. S&P's, gold dropped here. Gold might get one more. I don't like leaving offers out. I cancel them. Boom. All right. Good job, Derek. That's a great job, Derek. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped 20. Kabooshed. I think we're going to hear a lot of that. Love that sound. I think we're going to hear a lot of that. I think we're going to hear a lot of that sound, Denny, for the next month or so, Denny. What do you think? Uh, 7-day free trial. Well, you don't ask for it now. Gold, if you're short, look to cover below 07. It's only for people. S&P's dropped 5, 6 just now. NASDAQ just dropped about 25. Beautiful short into the negative MACD. That's an absolute beautiful Picasso right there. All right, Kabusi. Again, if you are only people who get a 7-day free trial or people who are new. Derek, Drake, great job, Derek. Oh my God, Michael. Arton had me crazy yesterday. He tried to put candles on my chart twice. Because I love Arton and because he has a lot of latitude with me, I let it go. But I tell you, I went home and I wanted to open up a bottle of Johnny Walker. I couldn't take the candles. Oh my! Look at these S&Ps. So does everybody know what this pattern is on the S&Ps? Lenny, you should know this. Why was I confident on that S&P?
It did not.
No. Think. S&P's down 7. NASDAQ, oh my Lord, NASDAQ's down 40. Do you know what that pattern is? Baboosh. Baboosh. Every night, anybody want to know what that pattern is? That pattern is a double red short.
Yeah.
5-minute time frame. Correlates with the 15 and the 60. Negative MACD. It's off the 3-minute time frame. Kaboosh. This is a set pattern right here. Boom. Look, every time they were trading up there, now I didn't hold it for 7 points. Okay? The 5-minute time frame reverses to sell. It correlates with the 60-minute indicator 4, and it correlates with the 15. That's a sell disconnect. Look at the push up. When the S&Ps were trading 62 and a half, the 3-minute time frame had an 81 overbought reading into the negative MACD. S&Ps, look at it. Beautiful, down 9. NASDAQ, down 4. Where's Arton? Arton.
I'm a flight.
No, he's not. He's in the chat. He's getting... We had a little scary moment today. We were all saying goodbye to Arton. We lost our minds. We were so happy. Had such a great 4 days with Arton. Michael decided, I think it was Michael, opened the door to be part of the crowd, and Hendricks ran out. And all of a sudden I look to my left, and I know I closed the door behind me, and I see Hendricks, and I see a car coming. And as I go try to get him, he's running around like a lunatic. So me, David, Lenny, Arton, we're trying to catch the dog, and he's running around like 800 miles an hour. And next thing I know, he decides to dart between two cars and the car was coming, missed him by 8 feet. I screamed. You could have heard me in Pluto. I saved this dog's life, and then he's going to get whacked by a car. It ain't happening, right? Anyway, this dog, he almost got cabooshed. Hendrix almost got cabooshed. Yep. All right. I'm telling you. And I screamed. I love this dog. I have no idea. He's part of the crew here. And at night he sleeps on my head, and it's just, I saved his life, and then I really got to tell you, it scared the living daylight. I was shaking like a leaf, but the good Lord protected him. The ladies stopped, and both Artan and I, and Lenny and Dave, we stopped the traffic on both sides, and we got this crazy nut job. So that's that. All right, all good. But I'm telling you, I needed a drink at dinner time. But anyway, wanted to share that with you. All right. Okay. Again, Aaron posted here. Okay. I just wanted to say, but do you understand this pattern here? This is a double red short and a cell disconnect. The 5 correlated with the 15 and the 60. You short the first bounce. You got the negative MACD. It's an absolute Picasso. That's a beautiful pattern.
It is.
That's when you have to step it up a little bit. When you know a good pattern, you don't just do 1 micro. You do maybe 5.
Right.
And you have to say, okay, I'm going to do 15.
Yeah.
You do 5 here, you space it out. It didn't get higher than 62 and a half.
Yeah, right.
So if you got 4 micros, anyway. Artan, have a safe flight. Artan's listening to us. He's in, I guess he's on the plane right now. 40,000 feet, and Artan's trading like a lunatic. Okay. Hey, who's this, UFO? Hi, SK, like checking in every now and then lately. Woof, woof. Yeah, woof, woof. It was a little crazy there, woof, woof. Alexa, close all my positions. Have a good flight. Okay, all right. So we're going to wait here to see what's going on. Then he's going to do a giveaway tonight. I'm offering a 7-day free trial for anybody who has not been with me. Please don't try to fugazi the system. This is only for people who have never received the 7-day free trial, and there is an expiration date on it. Okay, there is an expiration date. So for only about 3 or 4 people texted me, so I think half the world got the 7-day free trial. All right. If you didn't get the 7-day free trial, Alex will post it again. I'm tired of giving out my cell phone number. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going to get kabooshed. If my charts are right, I think we're going to get some type of a significant drop here. Let me see. Somebody sent me this today, if I can find it. Yeah, Artan sent me this, right? There's a low here on the S&Ps. 6,400. So if Artan's saying if they take out the 6,400 level, oh my God, is that right? Yep. 5,100. I agree, man. I agree. Good job, Smith Barney. Good job, Smith Barney. Great job. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? 400? Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Put a 1, please. S. Jardine, if you're new, you're eligible for a 7-day free trial. Gold just dropped 3. Me new Asia session. Okay, if you're new, you could just. All right, anybody new, Aaron? Can you post the link? Okay, you get a free 7-day free trial to my live stream. 7-day free trial. Aaron's gonna post a link to get you a free 7-day free trial. Going once, going twice. Very quiet. You know what, Denny? You know what I was thinking, Denny? Denny?
I'm here, Steven.
You know what we should do? We should play a little music in the background. What do you think?
I think so too, but we got to figure out how to do that because I don't think StreamYard supports that.
No?
Nah, we were trying to do that, and it has not worked for us. So we're still working on trying to figure that out. But we do want to start having music in the background because we think it could make the stream more lively.
Well, I could put it on my phone. I don't know. S&P.
Oh yeah, you can do that. Then we'd be able to hear.
Yeah, but I don't want to go to jail.
No, not if you do lo-fi music.
Well, what's lo-fi mean?
It's just instrumental music. There's no words in the background.
Look at these S&Ps down 10. Look at the gold down 4. Denny, did you get short anything?
No, I'm waiting for my payout. I'm not risking my payout money.
All right. Damn. There's other
No, I
firms
want my money.
You could
I
open
want
up.
my money.
You can open up. You know, another firm.
I could.
I funded. Who made that song up? My Funded Futures. That's a damn good beat to it.
Yeah.
I want to say Burke made it.
No. Damn.
I'm serious.
Good one. Unbelievable. Yeah, can you imagine? I'll be rained out of here. I'm playing music. I'm getting kabooshed. I don't know the rules of YouTube. I don't want no.
You try and go stream one day, and it's like
I may call Johnny Van Zant and ask him for permission if I could play some Skinner.
Ooh.
I call Johnny. S&Ps, if you want to take a scalp long, 44.5 to 50.5 range. NASDAQ, you could probably look to take a scalp long, 18 to 48. I would use micros. You should get a push up here. Can you imagine? A friend of mine knows Johnny Van Zant. I actually have a picture of me and Johnny Van Zant of Skinner. Can you imagine if I asked Johnny, can I play some Skinner? Well, actually, it wouldn't be him. It would be up to Judy Van Zant. S&P just ran 3. NASDAQ just ran here. Yeah, I would have to go to as Judy Van Zant. All right, S&Ps and NASDAQ, I would cancel the longs. Yeah, Judy Van Zant would be the one. Fly in here. How did the fly get in here? Hendrix escapes.
The fly.
Michael Levy.
Get Johnny Van Zant maybe to join the stream. Damn, that'll be fun.
That would be fun.
He trades.
He does?
Johnny Van Zant loves trading, I heard. Yep. I'll get him to sing some Sweet Home Alabama when he's here. Damn, Denny. S&Ps, if they push down here, I would look to buy 44 to 50 range. Yep. Well, you know, right? Did you ever tell Steven that he was?
Oh, so they're talking about my mentor, who I learned trading from. I talked to my mentor. Apparently, you're his mentor.
Who's that?
His name is, well, he calls himself Scalp God, but his first name is Shannon.
Never heard of him.
Well, he said he learned everything about trading from you. If it was just from watching your YouTubes or whatever, he said he learned everything about trading from you.
What's his? You want to text me his last name? You don't have to say it out loud.
I'll. Yeah,
I know him.
Huh?
I know him.
I don't know if you know him. I just know he knows of you and he learned everything from you.
Well, that's nice. I hope, listen, I wish everybody success. I hope everybody's doing well. All I know is today, the trade of the day was the 12:30 buy divergence off the 5-minute and then the 30-minute caboose. What a short. What a short today. Look at his gold drop. You see why the gold dropped?
Mm-hmm.
Why the gold drop, Lenny? Because you were in it? That's a great answer. Phenomenal answer. That goes down as probably one of the best answers I've ever gotten in my entire life. Why did gold drop? And because Lenny said, because he's in it. I love it. You got to have a sense of humor, I guess, in this, right? Okay? It's because the 60-minute time frame reversed to sell. Right here. Boom. And I told you, the 60 reversed to sell right there. Boom, right? Okay, the 30 is positive here. The 60 reversed to sell. The new high pushing up into the negative MACD. It's a sell divergence. Okay, you had a sell divergence here. I got to buy some S&Ps here. It was a sell divergence here. Okay. Sell divergence and a buy disconnect.
Oh, Steven, so
Yes, sir.
he used to listen to your audio of Key to Success in Trading.
Where do I know him from?
I don't think you know him. I just think that he used to listen to your audio podcast, he said.
Never had an audio.
Key to Success in Trading?
Me? Not me.
Yeah. Yeah, you. That's where he said he learned from.
Get a lot of these longs between 45 and 50 here. They should pop here. Nasdaq should get another push up here. Got a bull flag here on gold. You could look to buy this gold here anywhere between the 96 and 02.5 range. See if this S&P's. I don't have an audio. I don't have an audio. Well, okay. No worries though.
Take the credit.
I'll take the credit. No problem. Well, I hope he's doing well, and that's all that matters. And I just want everybody to do well at this stage of my life. Double red short, unbelievable. S&P's dropped 20. Is the link over? They haven't even posted the link yet. Hey, Lee. Lee's at a banquet dinner. Love it. S&P should get a push up. You're going to have to short the next bounce on the 3 or 5 minute. SK is cooked. I'm exhausted. What do you mean they Googled my name? I don't even know what I never heard of this guy in my life.
Here you go, Steven. Do you see this?
Yeah?
This is where he learned from you.
I never posted this.
Well, he apparently so, because this is where he learned from.
Okay, I believe you.
He literally just sent me this picture of this.
Well, thank you. It's flattering. S&Ps look to sell these here, 47 up to 50. I'd be kicking these out. The Nasdaq gets up to the 25 to 38 range. Well, I thank you very much, but Every day people copy my face and put it somewhere. Oh, they're candles? Ah! I love it. Can you imagine August 2020? Not me, Andrew, but can you imagine Aunt Arton's trying to help me with teach me candles last night? I showed Arton so much respect, but it took the act of God not to. I could never do that. You saw a video of me using candles? Ah! S&P's right back. I hope you're getting out of these.
Yeah.
I'm out.
Good.
Finished.
Good job. It pulled in a little deeper, but you're trading micros out.
Yeah.
I kicked them out up 4 or 5 off the about 3 or 4 or 5 off the low. Oof. Next bounce has got to be shorted. Gold, just beautiful bull flag on the gold. What a beautiful bull flag on this gold here. Just got down to 02. The 15 reverses to buy. It correlates. Look at this with the 30-minute. It's a buy disconnect, first pullback, boom. Nasdaq, S&Ps, I'd be scaling out of all longs here. Anybody long? I'd be out. Did you ever use candles? Never. Melvin, never. NEVA, never. Never, never, never. I gotta short these here, 54. 5, 4. What a short up there. Good Lord, God Almighty. Got bear flat. If these S&Ps get up to 53, 54, probably, oh, I just shorted them. Let me just cover them here. Got kaboot. Shorted them at 53. Screw it. 53 and a half. Gold, nice bull flag. Beautiful pattern on that. You see that here? The 15's reversed to buy. Oh, they're going to get kabooshed. Right back. Oh, look at them get kabooshed. Right down. Beautiful. Look at that short. 50. Oh, my God, 5. I love it when the index futures are really getting going. Anybody see that beautiful bull flag on gold here? Do you see that? Beautiful. Wow. S&P's are strong. I got to cancel my offers. You see that? Beautiful. Bill, candles are for birthday. I'm all over social media with me saying that? Really? You caught the NASDAQ long or short or both? You have, okay, for everybody who's watching, come on, we just had 410. Everybody who's watching, you have until 9 o'clock to sign up. Sign up or forever hold your peace. Oh, man. Can we get to 500, please? Oh, my Lord. Look at this gold. Danny, you see this beautiful bull flag on this gold? The 15's reversed to buy. It correlated with its 30. That's a buy disconnect. Anybody see that bull flag on the gold? Wow. Arton, you get that short? You get that long on gold, Arton? Arton's right now. I can see Arton on the plane typing away, putting his orders in. Right? You see Arton doing that, everybody?
Yeah.
You got the long at you got the long. Oh, you got the long on the gold, Michael. Great job. Good job, Savvy. And anybody, Aaron's gonna post the link. Aaron sent it 4 times so far. So Aaron sent the link, so I don't have to give out my phone number 908 times a night. I'm exhausted. Look at his gold. Oh my God. What a bull flag. What the hell is that? I'm going to cancel my offers. Never leave offers in. Like 7. If this S&Ps get up to the 54 and a half, the 60 and a half, 61, I'd probably look to short it. Silver 4K2, thank you. Can we get to 500, really? You know, somebody posted something today in my live stream and said that, really, there should be thousands of people watching this tonight. And, you know, Denny and I, we give it our all here, just to be honest with you all. We really do give it our all. And we want nothing but the best for everybody. Truthfully, we do. My goal here is for everybody to pass their evaluations, not to, not to fail here. I want people to pass their evaluations. I can't put a bid in here. I want people to pass their, boom, right down, short, boom. Yeah, this gold's pushing. You get the short up there?
On gold?
No, S&Ps, 54 it just hit. All right. We rise Asia session. I agree. Let's see here. How do I post on Instagram and be in the drawing? Got to ask Denny that. Nasdaq, if it gets up to the 58, I would have shorted it. S&P's just dropped 3 just now. Gold's making new highs.
Hey, so you just post you post on social media and you make sure you tag My Funded Futures or My Funded TV. For everyone that's asking about the pro accounts, I'm not the one who did that. That was Magnus this morning. I did hear that all the pro accounts had been announced already, or the pro account winners had been announced. If you did not get yours yet, then I would wait till tomorrow morning. Make sure you let Magnus know, and then he'll get it all situated. I find it weird that only mentioned as an audio. I mean, if he just preferred audio and that's what I viewed, that's fine. So that is not only the thing that he saw Steven on. He also saw Steven on YouTube. However, the first thing that he heard to find out about Steven was the audio.
I take it as a compliment. I really do, but I don't know the person. I never was interviewed by the person, but...
No. So what we think it is that you were on someone else's show or someone's podcast, and they published that podcast with your picture. Just trying to get your name out there, you know? And my mentor, Scout God, or Shannon, whatever you want to call him, he said that that's the first place that he learned from you.
Oh,
and then he was also watching your YouTube.
Got
it. Someone keeps telling me to ask you about Noriva days, pre-trade Z. Kernova.
Oh, Trade EZ?
No. Knover.
Oh, Novera. That was the old days.
Novera.
That was the days when I was building technology. I actually me and my partners at the time, we were building a piece of software where you could build strategies without using any lines of code, and it was called TrendLens. And you could actually you could drag and build strategies without using any lines of code.
Nice. Joe, you have to text him. Just text him your first name, last name, email, and he'll give you the free 7-day trial.
Just text me at 914-500-7484. If this gold gets up to the 0980 to like 1580, I'd short it. I never worked at Benzinga. I got to meet Jason and Luke at a function about 15 years ago for NASDAQ, and it was really a great event. I got to meet Jason, and then I got to meet Luke, and then we all went out to dinner in Times Square. I never worked at Benzinga. Look at this gold. Damn it, this gold drop. I took my eye off it. Am I never doing TikTok? I don't know. It just doesn't, I don't know. not the audience, I guess. You know, I want people, you know, who really want to take this seriously. I'm not saying they're not, but I don't know. The Robbins Cup, I know them very well. I don't know. I just never had the time for it, though. The one thing that really bothered me about that, they were like, because of my style of trading, I do a lot of scalp trading and everything, that their commissions were like $10 for each contract. I'm like, that's crazy. So, I don't know. It wasn't, I know Joe, I know the whole family. They're great, great people, the Robbins, but I don't know. I just, you know, I never decided to do that. I just traded my own money. So, I didn't really need to. How much time does it take for what? I think it was $10 a contract for each contract, one way. I think, if I remember correctly. Don't hold me to it. Yeah, and plus, when you're scalping the way I scalp, it really added up, and I don't know. Great people, great people. You know, then, you know, and I actually at points I leased a seat on the CME, and I was just paying as a member rates. So I was trading a lot of Oh my God, look at this gold down $4. Steven off the 60-minute. Come on, damn it! Took my eye off it for the S&Ps. I don't know how long it is. That was probably. Would you short NASDAQ now? No, I would wait till it goes up a little higher. Yeah, the micro scalping rule. I don't smoke. I have a severe sinus drip. Oh yeah, I love scalping in and out. I love it. Love pattern trading. Love scalping in and out. A trade station. 914-500 Joe Maba. 914-500-7484. All right, if this NASDAQ gets up to 65 to maybe 95 range, S&Ps gets up to the 55 to 61, 62 range. And again, anybody who's never been with me before, okay, can get access to the live stream. Okay, for my 7-day free trial. Again, please, I'm just saying to you all that, all right. Yeah, Aaron needs to get the text too, but we got to keep posting it because you keep asking. All right. I was pinned in YouTube. Okay, sorry, Aaron. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see. I got offers out here. What already? What the hell happened? What it looks like.
Yeah, you called it up.
Boom. Covered. Boom. Buck and a half. All right. Welcome, everybody. Elon got his package. I don't know. I heard it was $1 trillion. Oh, S&Ps, lower your stops. NASDAQ just got kabooshed above 65. I would lower your stops or cover below. Oh my, NASDAQ just dropped 20. No, not kaboom. Kabooshed. Stop messing up my words. All right, do the trades. He's on double secret probation for that one. All right, gold, I would cancel the short. Larry Williams, was it 1967, 1997? Okay. Brinks, you like that short, Brinks? Beautiful. No, it's kabooshed. Game, he's getting kaboom, then kabooshed. Exactly. Now you got it. Wow, Arton, you get that short, Arton? Where's Arton? Arton's on the. Arton's probably passed out on the plane. We had a really fun time here. Lenny, David, Lenny's here from about an hour and 15 minutes away from Southern Florida. David's from Georgia. Arton's from California. We had a nice time. Good meals, a lot of laughs, good friendship. That's why I want to build the Traders Cafe. Fill the coolers, Silver 4K2. Fill the coolers. Boom and boosh. I don't like that. Nope. Kaboom. No, we just got kabooshed. Gold got kaboomed. Benny, we got a kaboom for the gold. We got a kaboom. Boy, the S&Ps and the Nasdaq are doing this here. What? Look at this bull flag on the on gold. Oh my God! Sounds like a cow giving birth. Oh my God Almighty!
I'll giving birth to the bull.
Double secret probations from Animal House. All right, double secret probation is when Dean Wormer said that they are on double secret probation. Remember that?
Yep.
Got pump it? Oh, come on, no way. That sounds like a. All right, can anybody look at that? What's? Oh my God, look at that. He posted that. All right, gold. I short this gold 0980 to 1580, 1680. The bull needs cough syrup. I agree. Denny, we got to do something about that bull sound, Denny. What the heck?
Steven, that was the one you sent me.
I sent you that?
Yes, you sent me that.
That must have been on a Thursday night when I was delirious. I can't take it. Oh my God, that's hysterical. I sent you that? Somebody sent me that. That's why. Good Lord. Let's see. Mark just sent me something from Australia. "12 hours of royalty-free background music." Scott's choice, Johnny Walker. Black. I agree. It sounds like the bull has a nasal drip. Solomon Moss, it's I believe Aaron pinned it, right? The hell is this? I'll leave it running. Why not? We need some background music, Denny. What do you think, Denny? I'm not going to jail with this stuff. The judge will let me off because he'll think I'm insane for playing this. It's pinned in the YouTube chat.
We got to figure it out how to do it first. Give me like 5 minutes.
All right. All right. We got to. Thank you, Mark. I love you, Mark. But, okay. What's so funny?
Thank you, Mark. I love you.
What? Johnny Walker Black, baby. That's what I'm talking about. So a good friend of mine, I'm not going to mention his name, knows the company who makes Johnny Walker. So I called him and I said to him one day, I got a great idea. for women to drink scotch. And he said, what's the idea? And I said, Johnny Walker Pink. And he said, And I said, but you got to attach a slogan to it. And he said, what's the slogan? Drink the pink. I said, I love it. And he hung up on me. Never heard from him ever again. I swear to God. That's a true story. Drink the pink. Both sounds got
Did they ever use it?
both sounds got lucky. No, I don't know if they ever used it. I'm just telling you a story. I don't remember any. I mean, that was 4 years ago. Bourbon. Yeah, I know some good people who like bourbon. Let's see here. Bitcoin coming up again. Yeah. I'm not bullish here by any far. Okay. There it is. Drink the pink. Boom. There it is. Johnny Pink. Johnny Walker Black. That's a Tronex. That is an awesome bull. Man, that's an awesome bull. Short some message. Scalp it. Boom. Drink the pink. Johnny Pink. What a bear flag on the gold here. I mean, on the Nasdaq, Nasdaq, I would look to short the Nasdaq, like 73 up to 03. S&P's 55.5 up to 1.5 range. Drink the pink. Boom. First bounce on the 5, after the 5 reverse to sell. If you're short S&Ps, look to cover below 4.5. Crown Royal, never. Oh, Raiders Broncos tonight. S&Ps dropping. Nasdaq, cover below 67 if you're short. Nasdaq. S&Ps just dropped 2. Nice short there. Wait till these 5s roll over. If you short the gold, I would probably, let me see. I would cancel the gold short. S&Ps, Nasdaq, lower your stops. Beautiful bear flag. Bye-bye S&Ps. Bye-bye Nasdaq. Nasdaq just dropped 13. Kabooshed, Denny. McAllens are great. There you go. Look at these S&Ps drop 3. Nasdaq just dropped 14, Denny. That's not a bull sound. Andrew, put the scotch away. Lagavulin is the best. Johnny Walker Caboose limited edition. Neat over or over candles. Oh my God. I trade ICT and never seen this before. What is this? Oh my God. Can somebody help this person? Trade Warrior Hub. Can you answer the person above? He says incessible. I can't even see. Oh my God. S&Ps. Look at the Nasdaq drop 22. That's a set pattern right there. No, S&Ps and Nasdaq. You got the Nasdaq CT clutch. Great job. I would lower your stops. What do you mean where to? Short Nasdaq to where for up? What? Oh my God. That's it. Boost. What are your thoughts on ICT? No comment. Order filled. Beautiful. I don't comment on other people's work, period. Gold, I was short this gold here, 11 up to 16, 17. It's not right to do that. I wish everybody the best in the world. I don't comment. Gold, if you're short this gold, cover below 0980. I don't believe in that. I just want to be left alone. How's that? Okay? I just want to be left alone. It's going to be 63 years old, right? Okay? Accessible, if you want a 7-day free trial, it's in my YouTube. You can pin it right there. Can we get to 500? Okay. Wow, what a short. S&P's just dropped 5. NASDAQ, oh Lord, 24. Raphael trades. And anybody that wants to drop by and say hello, hey, gold, I would lower your stops on the gold short. Not very complicated. If you put your mind
Steven.
to it. Yeah, Baba.
At 9:15, is it cool if I do some giveaways?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm going and get everything set up then.
It's
I'll be
not
back.
hard. Okay? It's not hard, period. It's not hard. S&P's down. Oh, Lord. NASDAQ just dropped 26, Denny.
I see. Let me,
There you go.
there we go. All we were missing was the bear
That's
sound.
what I'm talking about. Look at the gold drop. Frank, you should short. I would have shorted the gold off the 60-minute time frame, Frank. Wow, look at that bear flag on a double red. Gold just dropped 3, S&P's 5, NASDAQ still dropping 26. Michael, what do you mean you're shorting NASDAQ 251? I called the short above 270. I said I looked at short. My number is posted in there. Thank you, Joaquin. Belvin Smooth Scotch, never heard of it. Got the gold out, good job. Am I liking the trading floor? I have my own trading room here. Hopefully one day I'll build my Trader's Cafe out. Trader's Cafe. Where are you at 3 a.m.? Can we short gold now? No. I said above 0980, and it ran up to 1130, then it got kabooshed. No, I would not. You are only people. Oh my God, S&Ps, what a bear flag. NASDAQ will be down 30 in one more point. Well, I'm from Jupiter, Florida. Oh, that person? I have no idea. He's in Norway. Bundle up, it's freezing there. I actually was supposed to go to Norway once. Look at this gold drop. S&P's down 6. Morocco, 3 a.m. I want to visit Morocco. I want to visit Morocco. I hear it's beautiful. Really. Look out below! Look at the gold. Down 5. All right, what time is it here now? 9:08. 52 minutes, 7 minutes. Denny's going to give away some, have some giveaways. Why don't you short it?
Well, I was.
I just told you the 60-minute Mac reverse to sell.
I know.
I told you.
I was a point.
Oh. It's all right. At least you tried, you know. If you never take the shot, you're never going to know, right? As I say. Anybody coming down to the Jupiter, Florida, more than happy. Give me a call. More than welcome to come in. Let's kaboosh. We already did. NASDAQ just dropped about 26. Wine SK? I don't like wine. I really don't. Maybe once in a blue moon I'll have a red wine. Definitely not white. Definitely not white. I'm not a white drinker. No way. No way. Red, yes. Once in a blue moon. Going to visit Istanbul. You're going to check out Morocco? Oh. My God, I'm exhausted. I gotta tell you, Fridays, I come in here so fired up, knowing I have the weekend. My brain hurts at the end of the day. Wow, really? I'm gonna go. That sounds beautiful. Good job, Lee. Lee, I'm really proud of you. I just got to meet Lee a couple of days ago from the 7-day free trial. Great job, Lee. Great job. Can we get the 500? Johnny C2Z? Well, come on down. Come on down. Man, oh man, I was shaking like a leaf when I saw that car coming at Hendricks. I screamed. You could have heard me on Pluto. Thought you were in Connecticut? No, I'm in Jupiter Beach, Florida. Come on, guys. I got 1 like here on my YouTube. My friend the future's got 30. Come on. Can we get the likes up here? Can we get 800? We really should have a few thousand people a night. Look at this. Brinks us up $1,000 in the first hour. You know what I say to people all the time? And I say this. If you can follow the rules of trading, where can you go to make money like that, right? Whether it's you're trading prop, you're trading multiple accounts, whether you're trading your own money, right? But more so, you can't be a doctor, a surgeon, a lawyer, an athlete to make this type of money overnight. Now, I mean, you know, you can't lose perspective on things. $1,000, some people don't even make that in 2 weeks in this country, if you think about that. So never, 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 you got to be really super humble, right? And that's what I've done for 43 years in this game. And, you know, I kept it so under the radar all the time. Why can't you come over? I didn't say nothing. And you guys really just need to learn. Okay, that's why, you know, like a lot of traders who trade during the day, the live stream offers them the ability to trade with someone, be part of a community, learn the patterns, right? And to be really able to focus, okay, to be able to focus on the you know, on the overall you know, focus on the patterns, focus on the trading. I got David here. I'm straightening David out. You know, basically the ability to learn how to use the ladder. Well, fill the coolers. Matt and PW take all the market share? Well, okay. Well, we should be able to have 4,000 to 5,000 people here at night. I mean, it's I mean, it is. There are some good nights here, some great patterns here. That gold bull flag, the short first, and then the bull flag, and then the 1 or 2 shorts here. S&Ps, NASDAQ, the first push up at 2010, then 2040, then 2100 on the gold, on the S&Ps. I don't really yell. I just get like stern, you know. It took me a year and a half to get payouts. Now I'm pulling in 3,000 to 4,000 a week. There you go. You don't give up, right? You don't give up. Oh, look at this gold drop. S&P's dropping. NASDAQ down to 39. If NASDAQ hits 20, yeah, there you go. NASDAQ, 40 down. 40 down on the NASDAQ. When the hand is on the mouse? No. Paw on the mouse. I just gave it to Diana. Hand on the mouse. Fill the cooler. No, it's coolers. Coolaas. Coolers. Well, I think I added one too many A's. We should get 4,000 to 5,000 viewers is a wild thought. Why not? Why not? Look at this S&P's drop. Gold dropping. NASDAQ kabooshed. All three assets kabooshed. It's Christmas in November. Coolers. There. Yep. Cool. Where's Arton? Arton's on a plane. I'm leaving on a jet plane. You got to be humble all the time.
I'll be back again.
You got to be. What do you think of Mandami? Are you crazy? No comment. There's the bear. See, the bear sounds great. All I can say is I'm thankful to the good Lord I'm out of New York. Period. Get rid of that crap. What crap is that? So what? If they don't get 4,000 to 5,000, we should be able to. Got to promote it better.
Arton is his favorite person in the world. That's who it is, Sam.
Who, me?
Yeah, they kept saying, "Who's Arton? Who is this Arton you keep
Arton,
speaking of?"
Arton. Well, I got to meet Arton in the last 2 months, Denny, right here on my Fund the Futures or my YouTube, and one day we exchanged. He called me because I only give out my phone number 14,000 times, and then $59 deal. I don't know what you're talking about. And then we just started talking, and he goes, yeah, I'll be down sometime August, or sometime September. And then finally he got here, and something happened. He needed to do something in New York, and then he finally came down November 3rd, and it was really great. Okay, really great. Really great. And, anybody. I just met Lenny this week. I've talked to Lenny for the last 3 or 4 months. David I've known for a few years. Look at this gold drop. You see that pattern off the 60-minute time frame? Mm-hmm. That is it. Gold's down 7.
I'm short, actually.
Okay, lower your stops. But you got the MACDs, the 15s reversed to buy. Look at the 3, the 5. Be careful.
Yeah. Trading.
Okay.
I just got up.
Do I think the NASDAQ will drop more? Let's put it this way.
Ready to do some giveaways?
Let's do the giveaways.
Kelsey, you're the first winner. Woo, woo, woo. Where you at,
How
Kelsey?
many are you doing?
I'm doing, how about 20 tonight?
Wow. 20 giveaways. That's 620. I'll be at probably about 430 by the end of the night. Total.
Oh, sick. I'll see you.
A gold long? I'd probably take a gold long if it gets to the 96, 95 and a half, 96 to 02 and a half range.
You had to sign up using the link that was posted in the chat.
Let's go, everybody.
Alberto.
I said I look to buy gold here, 96 and a half, 02 and a half range.
There you are, Alberto. Alberto, I have to ask, why'd you name yourself Alberto? Eddie or Eddie Sargent. Eddie Sargent.
Hey, Eddie Sargent. Congratulations, Eddie. Eddie's having some internet problems the last couple of days.
Oh, I hope he's here.
Yeah.
Eddie, where you at, Eddie? You gotta be here to claim it.
Eddie Sargent, should I text him?
Yeah, you should. If you know who he is and have his number, text him.
I know who he is, but he's got internet problems. Oh, I thought I had his phone number. I don't have it. Like my Marine shirt.
Not a Marine shirt.
I got one on. I got to sit down today. My back and legs are killing me.
I see you, Eddie. Good thing you were about to get left.
Why is there a delay on the stream? Because it's YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube just automatically puts a delay. It's not us, I promise that. I literally click ultra low latency every time before the stream. Fernando Diaz.
Fernando Diaz. Sounds like a picture.
Fernando. Where you at, Fernando?
Yes, we're trying to go long gold here. Any push up on gold is going to make a lower high. Got the negative MACDs here, and the 15s are rolling over.
Right. Next. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's going on with the Traders Cafe? I have a meeting sometime early next week, I hope.
C4 boom, where you at? Did you ever serve in the military, Steven?
No, sir. Aaron sent me this shirt.
Oh, nice.
If you want to sell some gold, look to sell some gold.
Back to him.
I sell some gold here, 03 to 05. Should make a lower high. 03 to 05. Yeah, to get exit
C4,
longs.
where you at, C4? Steven, I'll send you an Army shirt. That way you can send that Marine shirt back.
Ooh. Send me an Army shirt. I'll send you. What size are you? Large or medium? I
am not a large, sir. I'm a medium. How tall do you think I am, Steven?
I've never seen you stand up. I thought you were probably maybe 6'1", 6'2".
Oh man, you're funny.
I don't know, man. You got the hat on. You got that look, man. I don't know.
How tall does chat think I am?
How tall is Denny? 5'7", they're saying.
I'm not 5. Whoever said 5'7" is very close, but I have legs. What the heck? All right, everybody.
Oh my God.
This is me. I can't really go back super far, but I'm 5'6". Whoever said 5'6", congrats.
5'6".
Yeah, I'm 5'6". Let's see. First person to fade, Sam PFT. I'm giving you an account tonight.
Sell some of this gold here. I'd sell 02.5 to 04. Just.
I'll drop it to 2.5.
All right, everybody, please stop real quick. Viper, where you at? Tick Viper.
Where's Viper?
Short Kings, yep.
Yeah.
Tick Viper, I see you.
I did.
Yeah, I'm 5'6" and I weigh 162.
I said long gold. I said exit longs, 02.5 to 05. I didn't say short. I've been calling it long. This is the first pullback on the 5.
Yeah.
Second.
Whatever you say, Aaron. Emmanuel, where you at, Emmanuel?
Can we get 39 more people to 500, please?
This dude.
There goes the gold right back up.
Not my moderator trying to smack down on me. I got some muscle option. I mean, I haven't been out of the military very long, so.
We got to get some Kaboom and Caboose T-shirts with some, American flag on them.
Oh, I agree. I agree.
We gotta
Emmanuel,
do
are you
that.
here? Going once. Going twice. Gone. I can do 62 push-ups in 2 minutes, Raphael.
Wow, no way.
I'm serious.
No way. Can we get another 48 more people? Make my night.
Paul Nora, where you at?
Hey, Martin. What's up, Martin?
No. The only person that's getting it is Sam PFT because he was the first one to guess it. I already went back and checked. Paul, where you at, Paul?
Look at this gold.
I know, all over the place.
Paul
Jesus,
Nora.
gold just ran 3. Who caught the gold long? He's up 350 on the what short? S&P or NASDAQ? Raise your stops. Exactly. I want a Caboose T-shirt. I used to have them all printed out, but then I was running to the UPS store and spending an hour just sending them out.
No, option man. I
I'm not
was
doing
air
that.
defense artillery. I wasn't airborne. We're actually not able to do that because our equipment cannot be dropped out of planes. So there's no reason for us to do it. Paul Nora, you're going once, going twice, and you're gone. Yes, sir. 88 all the way.
Hendricks will be there. He'll be running around like a
Sergeant Wobbly,
lunatic.
Every Marine is infantry.
He'll be bothering everybody when they're eating. That dog
Sergeant
does not
Wobble, I'm
stop
sorry,
eating.
Sergeant Wobble.
Jess. Come on, we just lost 20 people on the. Let's go.
I'm glad you saw that, but it's not for our MOS. Zentaki, where you at?
Zentaki.
Yeah, Zentaki. Dang. Yeah, my cousin was actually 68 whiskey, and he was airborne.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at the gold go. Jesus.
All right, Zentaki, I saw you. I'm about to move on to the next person.
There he is. Zentaki's here. He says, I'm here.
He said he saw him.
I saw him, Steven. I saw him.
Okay.
Chat, give me 1 second.
Look at this gold rallying. Come on, Lenny.
I'm looking.
I mean, why?
No, I mean the reason and your
It's,
indicators.
Lenny, at 2015, the 15 reversed to buy, it correlated with the 60, the 30.
Right.
Then you buy the first pullback on the 5 right here, the second pullback on the 5. Okay? You had 2 nice pullbacks off on the 5-minute time frame. What does that mean? You're going to make a lower high, though.
Right.
The MACDs are here. The MACDs were positive. The MACD's negative here. So any push up is going to run into a brick wall. On top of that, you got the 15-minute time frame rolling down. So basically, what you're going to do is you're going to have a divergence here, boom, and here's another divergence. So if you bought this gold, it's not going to go near making a new high. You're lucky you get it somewhere here, if that, here. Okay, so you want this to get overbought into the negative MACD.
Cam trades
another
future.
push down,
Cam's trade future.
and this goes lower, and then you buy this on the oversold because this correlated with the 30-minute
I
time
got 3 more to
frame.
do if Cam is here. Cam, are you here? He's here? Gameplay, you said he's here?
Anybody long the gold
I see you,
on that
Cam.
pullback? What do you mean you stopped out? You didn't get. I didn't lose on that.
Sorry, chat. My
Where
my
is
daughter's
here
on
and
the
here?
street right now.
I
So.
don't understand. Dave, what do you, Dave? I don't get it.
Bernard, if you have an idea, just message me on Discord at Denny MFTV. Helpful G. I know I've seen Helpful in here. Where you at, Helpful? There he is. Helpful.
What are you asking?
Would have been a good idea to go.
I said go long
All
96
right, one
and a half
more,
to
and
02
then
and
we'll
a
do
half.
the
Okay.
we'll do three
I did that
random
earlier.
people who shared
No,
the
this
stream,
one here.
and then we'll do the rest at 9:45.
This is the one I said to go long.
Roosevelt.
Okay. Then you're good. And I said
No, it was
If you passed it, then you're good.
the last
Keyword.
2 minutes.
Just make sure you let. I mean, if anything, just let
It went from even,
what's it called
ran like about 4.5.
Right.
Roosevelt 1667.
What candles?
Just
Two-
let my funded TV
two
or my
point-
funded
what,
futures.
It ran about
people know
4.5.
that you passed
Yeah.
it if it is expiring today.
But again, I told you, any push-up's gonna make a lower high.
Going once.
It's not gonna get up there. The negative MACD
Roosevelt
and the
going
15's
twice.
rolling over. So if this 5 gets overbought,
Roosevelt, you're gone.
you're gonna no, you're gonna it's gonna stop the long. And here. So if this is going this way,
Man, you already got you.
if the 15's
No.
doing this and the 5's doing this,
You weren't here when I called
who's
your
gonna
name.
win? It's a bigger time,
15.
the 15. Correct.
MSR trades.
Hey, MSR trades.
They're for core accounts.
Wow. Good job. Good job, Lee.
See you. All right, and then 3 random names for sharing the stream. So first one is Jip Smith.
Hey,
Jip
just,
Smith, are you here?
I think he won yesterday too.
Jip Smith? No, he
think
didn't win
so.
yesterday. I have the list right here. No, Jip Smith didn't win yesterday.
Okay.
Is Jip Smith here?
S&Ps, if the Nasdaq gets down to the 95.20, S&Ps get down to the 35.5, 43.5 range, I look to buy them. Scale in.
Yeah, y'all can't
gold?
fool me. If your name that I'm calling doesn't match,
I think this
your
gold can
YouTube
sit up
name?
here.
There you are, Jip Smith. I see you. Congrats,
It's just-
congrats.
If this gold gets to
All right,
the
number
90.5,
2 is going to be
98.5 range, I'd look to buy it.
Gauge Trades.
Hey, day trades.
No, Gauge Trades.
Oh, Gauge, sorry.
Yeah, not day trades. Gauge Trades, are you here? Jip Smith, I saw you already.
Lucas Tram, thank you. I go long gold, like I just said, between the 91.5, 98.5 range. Does everybody understand that gold, right?
Jip Smith, I already seen you.
It's a nice
Gauge
little
Trades, are you here? Gauge, not gay. Gauge. Chat's trolling me right now.
All night then.
No, it's a pretty good night though. S&P's, Nasdaq just ran here.
Gauge going once.
I think I missed the goal by 0.5 point.
Gauge going twice. Gauge is gone.
S&P's, I said 98.5. All right,
All
S&P's
right.
just ran 3. I mean, gold just ran 3. S&P's, oh my God, just ran 4. Nasdaq just ran 18 on 20 on the Nasdaq.
Next.
Oh my
Susu
God,
Bear.
Denny-
Susu
Denny-
Bear, are
Denny
you here?
Jordan. Wow, anybody get that long on the gold? Look at that. Damn
Missed
it.
by 10 cents.
Damn it. Look at that gold. Damn it. On the push down. I was 98.5. Just ran
I
4.
see you, Susu Bear. Write your name down.
Brinks is long the gold. Look at the S&Ps go.
All right.
42 and
Last
3/4.
but not least, we're going with WP Casson. WP Casson, are you here? WP Casson. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you. All right. We'll be back at 9. We'll do 9:50 for the last few.
Oh my God! Look at these S&Ps rally. Oh my God! Nasdaq just ran 30. S&Ps just ran 8, 9. Oh damn it! Touching the lows here. Gold missed by, well, if you had a 98 and a half. I said look to buy the gold here on the S&Ps. Said 30, 35 and a half, 43 and a half, but it was already 45 when I put in. Gold rallied about 4. S&Ps just rallied 8, 9. Nasdaq, forget it. If you see the divergences here, you can see the S&Ps were pushing down here. The MACDs cannot confirm on the 15-minute time frame. My fund in the future is great firm. All right, gold that we canceled the buy range, caught the 44 to. Good job, James Dean. Great job. Am I looking at short Nasdaq? No. Congratulations to all the winners. I'm exhausted. I'm closing my eyes. It's been a long day, nonstop.
Steven, I feel that. I'm ready to go to sleep myself.
Oh my God. 23 more minutes. But we'll be here. It's all right. I just can't believe it. I was just about to say, I said 35 and a half to 43 and a half, but it was trading 40 right here, 44 and a half, 45, and then it just took off, ricocheted. Look at that. Jesus, 9 points up. Gold, beautiful long on that pattern. All right. Look at this gold. Oh my God, $5 up. Good night, Brinks. Call. See you tomorrow. Oh my God Almighty! Look at that gold. 5 up. Jeez. You really, Alex? Oh, thank you very much. That means a lot. S&P is going up. You think? Okay, beautiful. I don't sleep just to see the stream. Game to play. Thank you. From Italy. Yes. Yes, I think I know who that is from Italy. Sev, I think gold's gonna. I want to see the 15s turn up. That might have been it. That pushed down to the 98.7. Nasdaq going down again? Let's see. I'm not so certain. The 30s are getting deeply oversold here. Oh my God, this gold. I can't even bear to look at it. When should we short what? Gold, that is? Can't short the gold because the 15s and 30. Well, let me see. With the negative MACD, I probably short it over here. I'm going to go probably gonna go 0580. I would go micros. 0580 up to the or 0580 or 0680 up to 1180. Oh, boom, kabooshed on the gold. Boom. See the negative MACD on the gold? Well, the S&P's got 52, 51 3/4. NASDAQ, S&P's. Can't believe that gold. S&P's just dropped 2. Let's see here. All right, again, everybody, just want to say 21 minutes to go. We couldn't get to 500. Unbelievable. Got close, about 20. We got to 480. Where's Arton? Probably over right now. I know, 2 hours into the flight from here.
Maybe 10.
Might be over, maybe Louisiana. Gold, lower your stops. Silver's tired. Chicken trade is over here. Is always here. Good job, Chicken Trader. Thank you for your support. Texas, probably over Texas. You could be right. Gold, lower your stops on the gold short. Are you short gold?
No.
Why? Look at the negative MACDs.
I'm. These and didn't do anything.
But I called the short. I'm just trying to say the strategy on that. That's a triple Kabuski. That's an inverse of a triple Lindy. The 15s are turning down. The negative MACD is above the pivot. The algorithm's negative, and the 3-minute time frame getting. Look at the S&P's drop again. Jesus, drop 4. Nasdaq just got kabooshed again. Oh man, come on! Can't stand missing stuff like that. Anybody short the gold? That's called a triple Kabuski right there. Gold S&P's dropped 5. Nasdaq just dropped 25. Bye bye gold. This is called a triple Kabuski. Okay, this is called a triple Kabuski on the gold. Okay. The MACDs are above the pivot. The negative MACD on the 5. The 15s are turning down. The algorithm reverses the sell. It's always off the 3-minute time frame. Watch. Boom. 3-minute got overbought into the negative MACD as well. The algorithm has to be negative on the 3 and the 5. And it's always a triple Kabuski or a triple Lindy is always off the 3-minute time frame. You was too high, what? 50, 06.5? Okay. Next. That's a triple Kabuski. Perfect pattern. And the 15s have to, in the 15-minute time frame has to be turning down. Not a Picasso. 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 S&P. Well, I'm looking at the. Oh my God, this gold. Yeah. Down. I missed the short long by 20 cents, and then the short was great. S&P's down 5. Nasdaq kabooshed. Now, if you want to see something here on the S&Ps, okay? If you want to see something, all right?
Yeah.
You can see the ADXs are rising here. On the 15, you can see the big selling pressure. The 30-minute ADXs are rising. The algorithm reversed to sell. The 60-minute, right, negative here. So when you see the 30-minute reversing to sell right here at 21.30, 10 minutes later, you short the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. That's a set strategy. Okay, so when the 30-minute reversed to sell, it correlated with the 15 and the 60. You short the first bounce on the S&Ps and NASDAQ. I was watching gold. Sorry about that. Latino trades, never heard of them. Uh-oh, is that my internet? Hey, Jennifer. Wow, 30 micros. Good job, Lee. Hey, Jennifer. How do you learn the charts? Time. Time.
In tears.
What?
In tears.
And tears. No tears. There's no crying in trading. I don't care. When Tom Hanks said, there's no crying in baseball. There's no crying in trading. That's a triple Kabuski. Oh, man. Johnny C2Z, if you want to text me, I'll give you a little help there. Out of ES with 5 micros. Good job, Lee. Yep. We got to get... Denny, you got any music here? We got to have a little music going forward next week. Denny?
I'll look into it, Steven. I'll look to see what we can do to try and get it going.
All right. Let's see here. How about cursing, breaking things, throwing monitors? Oh, yeah. Throwing chairs. I've done it all. I'll be lying to you if I didn't do it. Kicking garbage cans, throwing a chair with the 4 legs sticking into the wall. A guy said to me, I'll give you $10,000 if you do it again. I chased him down the hallway. You know what I used to do a lot of? I used to doodle. I used to go through maybe 1 to 2 pens a day, and I would just doodle. All day long as I'm trading, I would just doodle. I would draw boxes, color them in, make more boxes. I'd make boxes. My whole pad would be filled with boxes and doodle all day long. All day long.
The 3D boxes?
What?
Like the 3D box?
No, just boxes. Scalping, that's an art. You have to, if you want to text me, I'll go over that with you, but not now. If you want to text me, I'll go over the scalping, how to scalp. 914-500-7484. Can we can't get to 500? Come on. Let's see here. Let me tell you something. You want to? I know you're not going to believe me, okay? But I had more anxiety in the real world when I came into trading. I blocked it all out. I literally blocked. It made me block out of everything, okay? It made me block out of everything, okay?
Steven, you ready for some more giveaways?
Yes.
Okay, one second. All right, let's do this. M Systems, are you here? Yeah, I wish we had background music.
We got to do that going forward. Make it a little, fun here. This Nasdaq gets up to 63 to like 93. I looked short at S&Ps, probably like 50, 53 and a half up to 59 and a half range.
M Systems, I got you.
I think the 15-minute goal is going to turn up.
SID 99. I don't even know how to pronounce your name, to be honest.
I think the 15-minute time frame on gold is going to turn up. Jake Camaro, what are you saying? Been more than 6 weeks?
School. Have a good night. See you. I could be.
Where?
I'm just going to call you Sid.
Gold on the 15-minute.
Is going to turn up.
Right, but the other one.
Out is ICT.
The other time frames are 60.
Bottom line is, this is the first pullback on the 15 after the 30 and 15 reversed to buy. Gold's going to turn up here.
Yeah.
I saw you, Altus.
Good job, Lee. Go long?
Yeah.
Here? Gold's got one more.
Prop Firms Canada. Props Firm Canada. Hey, there you are.
This gold gets down. Oh, this gold's going to turn up. Forget about it. I was going to say go long. Gold gets down to the.
No.
90,
No,
95 and a half,
don't.
94.01 and a half range.
Willie, where you at, Willie?
Willie. Kim Capital, right? Congrats to the Dodgers. Willie's here.
I see you, Willie.
Here goes the gold. S&Ps, I'd cancel the short. Never got up to 53 and a half.
And then the two random winners for sharing the stream.
I read the green bars.
All right. First person is Alex
Email subject line
Ponsvita.
do I look for in the live stream?
Alex Ponsvita.
Gold's going to go. CR mix, if you want to, I'll answer the question. Just text me at 914-500-7484 and I'll give you an answer. If you shorted
Alex,
NASDAQ
where you
above
at,
63, look to cover below 56. I would look to cover. Okay.
There you are. All right.
Imora, I would, if you want to text me, we'll go over the answers together.
And then last but not least,
Wow, look at that gold. That gold 15-minute time frame is going to turn up.
Little Killer Loco. Little Killer Loco.
Little Killer Loco. Cover what short too early? S&P?
Yeah, what short? I didn't hear
or
him call it
NASDAQ?
short.
NASDAQ, the high was 53. I said look to short 53.5. Wow. NASDAQ just dropped about 8.
There he is. There he is.
Congratulations. Is that it, Denny? All the winners?
That is 20 winners for tonight. Everyone, thank y'all for tuning in this week. Greatly
Absolutely.
appreciate
It
it.
was a great week.
Awesome.
Actually, it felt like it. Oh, there goes the gold. Oh, my God. Gold 15-minute time frame is going to turn up. If you see the gold here, you can see the push down. Oh, hit the wrong one. Denny, we got it maybe Monday.
Thank y'all for coming every single day for
maybe
us.
Monday. There's a good chance. I have a doctor's appointment on Monday, but I should be here by 7:15.
Okay.
I'm flying to New York and back, just so I
Dang, in one day?
Daily stream, right?
can. Huh? No, Billy's gonna do the daily. I have a doctor's appointment. I waited 7 months for.
No, thank you, Trade Warrior Hub.
Keep this stream, guys, amazing. We need to get more views here, guys. We need to get like 1,000, 1,500 people. Out of all the people in the world, you can't, for 2 hours, we need 1,000, 15, 2,000, 3,000 people. Right, Denny?
Did you see what Shirvan said?
No.
He said, I'm going to trade New York on Saturday. Any advice? It's a bit slow.
I have to fly up to New York. I dread it. Billy's out with his mother. I waited 6, 7 months for this. He knows it though. I don't know. What else?
You're crazy, Roosevelt.
I have a plane ticket, everything.
You cancel the stream.
No, I can't have nobody do it for the day. Michael.
Yeah, I don't think so either. I'm gonna see what I can do about getting us background music up here.
I'm gonna have to cancel this doctor's appointment. I waited 7 months for this doctor's appointment.
Don't you cancel it?
No, for my stream, Billy's mother is Billy. Billy normally fills in, fills in, but
Don't cancel.
Your
All right.
chat or your audience won't understand that both of y'all got appointments to go to.
one day, no, it's I don't know. I'll talk to Aaron about it. But anyway, with 2 minutes to go, I want to say thank you everybody for joining. Have a great weekend. Thank you, Denny. I'm so glad you're feeling better. Have Arton
Yes,
do
sir.
it.
Thank
No,
you.
Arton trades. He doesn't want to be bothered. Anyway, I'll figure it out. Jesus Christ. I don't know. I can't not have the stream for a day. That's.
Thanks, Joseph.
We gotta.
Would one
If you guys could pass this along to everybody, to your friends, really would like to get, anywhere 700 to 1,000 people here nightly. I mean, we did a lot of. This is probably the most index trades we've done, and the patterns on that. Gold, one, Mr. O2 bull flag, the 2 shorts up there, and then
Cube,
Mr.
Blaze,
Gold
have a good
long
night.
by about 20 cents. All right. All right. No, I'm not asking Arton to do it. No, not doing that. Okay. I want to say thank you to Denny. Thank you, everybody. It's been a great week. It's Friday. 15-minute time frame on gold. Should get another push up here. All right. Want to say thank you to everybody. Thank you for all of you for joining us here each and every night. The diehards that are here really means a lot to me, and I just want to say thank you. It really is a great week. Hope everybody enjoys what we do here. I think Monday we'll have some background music. I think that's good to do that. Okay.
Yeah, I think so too.
All right, have a great weekend, everybody. God bless you, and God bless the United States. And please, there's a link in here. If you guys want the 7-day free trial, it's for anybody who truly, truly, truly wants to have a 7-day free trial. Artan, have a great night, safe trip, land safely, go back to your family, and everybody, if you're in the Jupiter area, Florida, come visit me. I love it. And have a great night, Denny. Good night, everybody.